Hello, you've reached Forrest with ForrestBuysHouses.com, and today I want to talk about how we buy houses in Petersburg, Virginia. We've been buying houses in Petersburg, Virginia for several years now, and we enjoy the area. We like the area. We believe in the fine folks that live in Petersburg, Virginia, and we believe in providing great housing to new homeowners that want to move in and spend their life in Petersburg. So if you need to sell your house fast, if you need to sell your house in Petersburg, Virginia, we buy houses in Petersburg and the surrounding areas. So do not hesitate to call us. We are a solutions provider that can solve your problems. We can do it quickly, efficiently, and oftentimes we pay much more money than you would normally get by one of these other people that you find on the internet. So call us first, call us last. I don't care when you call us, just call us. All right, y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching and spending your time with this video. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.